Welcome to this luxurious modern beach house in the heart of Lauderdale Beach. It has 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and little over 4,600 square feet of living space. The first thing you notice when walking in is a waterfall flowing straight into a pool, right outside of main reception area. To the right is the entrance to the higher levels, dining area with a bar aisle, and chef's dream kitchen with state-of-the-art Sub-Zero appliances. Kitchen hall ties into a wine cooler cabinet. Pool deck can be accessed directly from the living room. Barbecue and grill area directly in the corner. And pool with jacuzzi, perfect for a great time with friends and family. Up onto the second floor, where we can find more suites. Onto the left is an oversized primary suite with a balcony and a view overlooking pool. And further connecting area with ensuite bathroom with jacuzzi and a pool view. To the right, there are 2 more junior suites with its own balcony. Now onto the 3rd level. But before we go there, check out this gorgeous view of a reception area and pool. And on to the right is an open terrace with stunning views of Lauderdale Beach. To the left, this spiral staircase will bring us to the actual rooftop terrace. And oh my God, what an incredible view of the ocean.